this conference and exhibition is organized on the highest international level.
So I think it's a really great opportunity to highlight both the capacity to conduct such an event and to highlight all of the wonderful things that are happening here with technology.
It's a very good tradition to come together once a year and to review what has been done in the exhibition and then what others are doing and what they are planning in the conference.
I think events like this really offered people two things. It provides people with very specific knowledge about what's happening in other jurisdictions, but I think another thing that can happen at events like this is that people get inspired and they see what's happening so that they actually can sort of bring that back home and make improvements in their own areas.
It's a ferment of ideas. It's a lot of diverse ideas, a lot of diverse voices. You know, all of the information about all the mobile technology innovations is incredibly fascinating and stimulating to my mind.
Bahrain is in a unique position. Bahrain is the leader in IT thinking, in social media thinking, and the human capital of Bahrain is such that Bahrain really is the intellectual leader of the Gulf and the Middle East and the GCC countries.
Bahrain has an opportunity to take a leadership position in the Gulf in really forging a platform for not only e-government but various services where mobile can play a central role.
Is a wonderful opportunity for Bahraini government officials to really have exposure to a wide range of ideas. And so I think participants at the forum here in Bahrain get the opportunity to have both vision creation opportunities but also skills development.
This forum can create a lot of opportunities for either private sectors and governmental entities. As governmental entities, they can benefit from private sector.
A lot of Bahrainis study IT majors in Bahrain. When they show up in here and see a lot of IT companies in here or a lot of institutes in here, they're going to know exactly what the market labor needs, what the work needs, what the skills that they should develop, the qualifications they need.
People around the world should know what we are doing. And this is very important. And that exchange helps you to either customize, to add something to your existing project, and putting Bahrain in the world map. And that's again something that we Bahraini always proud of. We're proud of our history and we're proud of our present achievement.
And I think that, you know, Bahrain being a very progressive island nation really needs to run forums like this, not only for domestic consumption, but really to become a leadership voice in the Gulf, to encourage people to come to develop the right tools and the right vision to implement solutions that will be used not only in e-government, but in retail, in entertainment, in health.
Because governments around the world are really leveraging cloud computing, the citizens and the agencies here in Bahrain can really see how other governments are addressing common issues and common challenges. That will in turn enhance the delivery of these services and improvement of these services here in Bahrain. Others that are joining us here can see in real time the value of leveraging e-government, leveraging cloud computing technologies to deliver real value to citizens. This is really important to countries that are maybe hesitant to provide the power of information technology to their citizens.
Sharing some of these experiences that we have in the various countries, we'll be able to benefit towards what we call greater public service excellence.
Promotes the country, as a country which is very IT savvy, which want to develop the technology, and also which will help to create a lot of job opportunities, for the local Bahrainis.
Speakers from all over the world, and there's a great diversity of expertise in the room.
Who are here to share examples, case studies, best practices, and sometimes some really new information that can be useful to everybody, not just the Bahrainis, but all the attendees from around the world.
Talk about their experiences
whether that's in technology or in data or in innovation. And I think by being part of the forum, they have an opportunity to network with their peers and their colleagues.
So you bring the best experiences from all over the world, you bring them here, and it's a resource of knowledge.
Basically, sometimes to hear from other people right outside of your own government is really important to understand other experiences and other parts of the world. Right? We have a big world.
Very colorful agenda, taking a lot of interesting topics.
Simply incredible forum. Great diversity of people.
Innovation, creativity, and enthusiasm.
Interesting, collaborative, and innovative.
Exciting, innovative, and tech-focused.
Full of knowledge, new experiences.
People sharing knowledge.